Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you change your Facebook name in Facebook. We already know that Facebook updated its various feature. For this reason probably YouTube old video are not working for changing Facebook name. So for this reason I am making a new video on this, how can you change your Facebook name very easily. So before starting the video I ask you for something, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For changing your Facebook name you have to simply go in your Facebook account. You can see here I am on my Facebook app. After come here your Facebook app, you have to click here three line. You can see here option three line. You have to simply click here three line. After clicking here three line you have to simply scroll down and then you have to find here settings and privacy. You can see option settings and privacy. You have to simply click here settings and privacy. After clicking here settings and privacy you can see here option settings. You have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings you will can see here account center. You can see account center. Probably according to your phone's or Facebook settings your account center can be below here in below, but according to my Facebook settings it's up here. So I am simply clicking here on my account center. You can see see more in account center. You have to simply click here. After clicking here see more on account you will can see here option profile. You have to simply click here on your profile. After clicking here your profile you will can see here your all profile arrive which is related to your Facebook. You can see here my Facebook, another Facebook profile, Instagram profile, and the other Instagram who is linked to my this Facebook account. You can find here. You can change your Instagram account or Facebook page name from here. Same way I will show here in my Facebook name. You can see here you have to simply click here on your Facebook name. After clicking here on Facebook name you will have to wait for some time and then you can see here your Facebook profile name and your Facebook Instagram profile name. So I am simply want to change my Facebook profile name. Simply I have to click here my Facebook profile name. After clicking here on your Facebook profile name you will can see here it's added on July 2022. So you have to make sure that seeing profile info you have to make sure it's on and then you have to go back from here and then you have to click here name on name. You have to click here on name. After clicking here on name you can see here your last name, your middle name and your first name, your middle name and your last name. And here they advise you that you cannot change your Facebook name if you change it within 16 days. So you have to make sure you didn't change it within 16 days. If you change it within 16 days you cannot change it. So for changing, if you don't change it within 60 days, for changing now you have to click here your first name. You can see here you can add your first name or change your first name. You can add your middle name and then you have to add your last name. Your first name and last name is mandatory. You can add your middle name if you want. If you don't want you cannot. You don't want, you don't have to fill your middle name. So after changing your name you have to click here review change. After clicking here review change they want your Facebook password. Then you have to give here your Facebook password and then that's way your Facebook name will be changed. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in my comment box and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.